Hello everyone, I am Kirti Singha. On behalf of Madhav Bagh Vidya Bhavan, wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. Every year, we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. The date 15th August from the year 1947 in India has become a very important day in Indian history. After a lot of hard work and struggle, we got freedom from the British rule. Many great Indian leaders have given sacrifices with courage in the heart to give us a free and peaceful country by sacrificing their comfort of life. We can never forget the sacrifices done by Bhagat Singh, Khadiram Bose, Chandrasekhar Azad, who lost their lives at a young age, and many more who were behind the scene. After so many sleepless nights, brutal torture, and struggle did by our forefathers, finally we got freedom on 15th August 1947. After independence, Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Prime Minister of India. At that time, he had given a speech in New Delhi, stated that when the people of the whole world sleeping, people of India were struggling and were working to get freedom and life from British rule. Now, after independence, India has become the largest democratic country in the world and the best example of unity in diversity. On this day, flag flutters everywhere, including all the government offices. We see colorful lights arranged everywhere. It is celebrated grandly in Red Fort Delhi. Every school, colleges and other offices remaining closed on this national occasion. The people gather for flag hosting, sing national song and remember our great freedom fighters. After completing 73 years of independence, let's see where we stand. Today, we stand very strong and powerful nation in the whole world. We show our power and strength through space, air, land, water and also by our kindness. Today, our nation is surrounded by a host of problems like coronavirus, border upset, etc. As we all know that the entire world is fighting against COVID-19, which has put down the world's economy. It is essential that we should stand united and fight against this pandemic. Being the responsible citizen of the country, we should always be ready to handle any emergency situation in our country. Dear friends, in unity there lies the strength. Therefore, let's get united and make the commitments today that we shall never allow any harm to our motherland. Let's unite, work hard, and make our nation that our forefathers dream of. So let's respect the value this precious present so that we may never lose it. Warm wishes on Independence Day to you all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.